I would like to install a 12V starter on my HM100 Tecumseh. I need the flywheel with ring gear and the starter engine. Spec S1592321L3259D. The engine drives a Coleman Maxa 5000 generator. Where can I purchase them?
www.hyperparts.com/dubc.dll CTWP item inquiry 1001 1003 611 1091. Couple of places have the flywheel at about $150. This is a link to one of them. The starter kits, you can get them at www.pittismallingen.com/html/page_160.html. If you do the 110-120V setup, you can start it off your house plug-in. But the 12V kit needs a battery/starter solenoid and some type of charging syatem to maintain the battery voltage. Which you could put a charging system on the motor, or you could charge the battery off a 110-120 charger. Couple off ways to do it.
Where would I get 110V from in a power outage to start the general? 12 volts would be easier, just make sure the battery is fully charged. How will the flywheel magnets match the timing of the old one?
Yes, magnets are the same. Very true for a power outage. 12 would be all you would have.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.